Hello everyone, welcome to the new episode of Tech Facts and I'll be presenting some very interesting tech news. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon as whenever I post a video, you get the notification without fail. So, let's start. Leaks for Apple's upcoming iPhone 12 lineup has been trickling in out at steady pace for some time now. A newly leaked clip now claims to showcase the main traces of the iPhone 12 Pro arguably looks more trustworthy based on what we know about the upcoming phone. Apple might indeed be going for the more classic industrial look for this generation. The overall body shape showcased harkens back to some iconic design. The main triple camera setup seems pretty much identical to what we currently have on the iPhone 11 Pro and the Pro Max, with the notable exception of additional sensor hole set to house the new LiDAR module. The latter has been amply featured in leaks, and finally seeing some physical indication of these existing links can be considered a good sign for credibility here. In case you are not in the loop, most sources agree that total of 4 iPhone 12 models, the two 6.1 inch, a 5.4 inch model and a 6.inch one. Allegedly, the two 6.1 inch variants will reach market before the differently sized siblings. We are expecting the first iPhone 12 models hopefully around the mid-October. So let's see at what price will the iPhone 12 lineup get launched in India. Samsung official India website now has a pair of support pages up. These are the Wi-Fi only and LTE variants of the recently announced Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 2020 respectively. These are also accompanied by the firmware version numbers that coincide with the India notation. All of this of course hinting at the imminent release of the both variants on the market. The Galaxy Tab A7 2020 is in essence a budget device. It features 10.47 TFT display with resolution of 2000 x 1200 pixels and about 80% screen to body ratio. Empowering it, we have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset paired with 3GB RAM and 32GB or 64GB of onboard storage. The latter is expandable via micro SD slot. The rear camera is 8MP, the one on the front is 5MP, and this tablet comes with 7040 mAh battery charged through the USB-C port. Next to it we can see a 3.5mm audio jack, connectivity standard but well-rounded including Wi-Fi 802.11 and a modern Bluetooth 5.0 modem. Of course there is optional cellular support if you go for the LTE variant. So now let's see at what price the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 gets released in India. With the successful launch of Samsung's folding smartphone in 2020 with the Z Fold 2 and the Z Flip, other companies are pressured to come with a device that might have some folding elements to it. Rumors as early as 2017 have suggested that Apple has been working on the iPhone device with folding form factor. The latest evidence comes and is to be believed that Apple is apparently in talks with Samsung Display for foldable screen samples and hopes to exclusively supply the amount for 1 year. As per this, the previous reports drafting back to the early year last year, Apple has already been working on prototypes for a folding touchscreen device. Such a folding iPhone might have a hinge and two displays much like the Surface Duo. We have doubts that the Apple might release the folding device with hinges, not when Samsung has a display that actually bends and creases. Perhaps Apple isn't willing to put a product out of the might immediately appear inferior to the biggest competitors. So now let's see what happens to the future of the Apple's folding phone in the upcoming days. Hello everyone, if you have not yet subscribed to Facts and Trends, please don't miss this golden opportunity. Press the bell icon along with the subscription button and please allow me to serve you with the latest tech related videos every day. Samsung is expected to launch the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition soon. We have been seeing plenty of leaks over the last weeks, and the latest one comes from China's Tena agency, which confirms the key specs of 5G model. The phone with model designation is listed with a 6.5-inch display, 4500 mAh battery, which is also we know support 15-watt wired charging and dual cell capabilities. We have also briefed the phone's dimensions, which come in at 159.8 into 74.5 into 8.5, which puts it right between the Galaxy S20 and Galaxy S20 Plus in terms of size. The recent giant leak gave us a detailed look of what else can we expect from the S20 Fan Edition. The phone will feature a 120Hz Super AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 3 protection and 32MP selfie camera. Around the back we are getting a 12MP main camera with OS along with 12MP Ultra Wide Snapper and 8MP telephoto module with 3x optical zoom. The S20 FE will come in 5G and 4G, with the former running Samsung's in-house Exynos 990 and the latter opting for the Snapdragon 865. Other notable features include IP68 protection, wireless power share, and an in-display fingerprint reader. The phone will also arrive in a whopping 6 color options. So let's see when the S20 Fan Edition 5G gets launched in India. Some days ago, HTC Wildfire E Lite had appeared on the Google Play console. It was a phone having quad camera processor and 2GB of RAM. Still, the first proper image of the Lite has surfaced, so you might want to have another look. It's a classic design with top and bottom bezels surrounding the 18:9 screen. The back houses a dual camera. We don't have the sensor info, but the original Wildfire E had a 13+2 camera on the back and a fingerprint reader too, even though some entry-level phone omit that. The phone on the screen shows August 20, but if HTC did unveil the Wildfire E Lite on that date, we can't find any evidence of it. You can look at the full-fat Wildfire E. In that meantime, it's available in Russia, Africa, and comes with a 5.4-inch HD Plus screen and octa-core processor. So let's see if this HTC Wildfire E Lite gets released in India or not. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.